Good morning. The theme for the week is scholarship, a subject very close to my heart, and indeed one that defines us as a school community. Isn't it funny that such a theme is the one that we have for this week as we embark on a new adventure as students, teachers and parents? As you know, this week we're embarking on a fresh way of engaging with academic study as we delve into remote teaching and learning and engage with virtual forms of collaboration. At its core, scholarship refers to academic achievement or study and includes learning at the very highest level. Stereotypically, when we think about scholars and scholarship, we might come up with images of sitting at the front of a classroom, doing exactly as your teacher says, proactively writing things down from the board, and always being the first to have your hand up and answering questions. Now, of course, these are all great attitudes and attributes in our students, but how can we recalibrate what we mean by scholarship, seeing as our learning is happening more remotely? And seeing as you are all listening to this assembly from various different locations around the city, rather than with us together in the Great Hall. From my own perspective, scholarship is not actually a behaviour, but is a mindset, a characteristic, a way of approaching challenging learning and not being afraid of the as yet unknown, the unknowable, and the knowledge that seems beyond our current capability. What's wonderful about this aspect of scholarship is it is something we can continue to achieve through our virtual learning. To be scholarly this week means having the courage to go further with what your teachers are setting on Firefly, or having the curiosity to delve further into a topic outlined on Microsoft Teams in an interactive lesson. It's about having the compassion to assist others in your home environment with their learning, helping them see the spark in whatever they are discovering, and for you to have the creativity to engage with instructions by teachers while still at home learning to that highest level. Finally, scholarship revolves around the confidence to dive headfirst into new learning, to push yourself beyond the comfortable, easy stuff, knowing that the risks of getting things wrong and of failure will increase the further you go. A true scholar knows that the fastest way to acquire skills and knowledge is needing to make mistakes and to respond to feedback. So please do continue with this scholarship over the next week. After all, it's hard to beat a scholar, even virtually, when they never give up. And I'll leave you this week with a quotation from one of my favourite scholars, Mahatma Gandhi, where he summarises how scholarship is all about that character, those 5 values we have as a college, and how knowing lots of facts is actually of secondary importance, perhaps just like Elle Woods demonstrated in the fantastic production of Legally Blonde last week. Let's listen to Gandhi's words here for our week. All of your scholarship, all your study of Shakespeare, all your study of Wordsworth would be in vain if at the same time you do not build your character and attain mastery over your values and attitude to learning. Thank you.